Welcome back, everybody. So we are now moving on to the mitochondria organelle. So as some of you know, the mitochondria is what is known as the powerhouse of the cell. This is kind of like a battery, how a battery gives you power and energy. That's the same thing a mitochondria is going to give to the cell. It's our powerhouse. It also is going to create energy. So this is the true function of a mitochondria. It creates energy. So the structure and picture for our mitochondria is going to be right over here. So some people think that it kind of looks like a raw steak. Some people think it looks like a tomato. Whatever you think it looks like, I would write that down. I would also make sure to get a picture of it drawn over off to the side in your structure section. Now, some important information about the mitochondria is that cellular respiration occurs here to release energy, ATP, for the cell to use. So I would make sure that you know that energy is going to be referred to as ATP, and that cellular respiration occurs here. I would star this, make sure you highlight or underline cellular respiration and ATP to know its importance. Another important fact is that it is bound by a double membrane. So make sure you pause all of this, get all of this down. It is important to know everything in this rare model. And it has its own strand of DNA. So again, anything in green or red, I would make sure you get this down, highlight, star next to it. All of that is going to be very important for you to know. So again, here's our picture of our mitochondria. So whatever it looks like to you, tomato, bean, whatever, I would make sure I write that down because identifying an organelle is going to be almost 50% of your test, and it is going to be very important.